Welcome to Home Cinema and Tech Review. In this video, I'm excited because the studio has finally finished. This is the new studio that I was talking about and sending the short videos, just glimpse of this new setup. And hopefully we're going to enjoy together with you guys. So what you're seeing, this is the first step when you come into the new studio. This is a lenticular ultra short throw projector screen as I'm walking in front of it. You know why? Because it's running with a long throw, cheap budget projector, and it's a 100-inch image. Let me just show you. This is also an experience room based in Istanbul, combined or collaboration with Technobiotic team. So this is the projector that I use, and my teas and also water. I am doing a lot of work. So this is Epson TW650, quite cheap projector in the second hand, bulb, and as you can see, a 100-inch image at my back. So let me just return the camera and walk around the new studio. I am excited. As you can see, we got huge amount of lights on the top, and I can even add more, but I don't need it right now. And these are sun blockers because we can control the sun. We got huge window. We got a 120-inch ultra short throw ALR. I can't fit it to the setup right now. And let me just walk back a little bit. This is a 120-inch huge ultra short throw ALR screen, brand Dark locally in Turkey. They are trusting me and they are developing with me. I'm testing their materials most of the time before they produce. So these are coming from edifiers, and hopefully soon there will be a lot of Ultimea soundbar setups. My phone is charging, but as you can see, a lot of different edifier products. We will probably enjoy my sunglasses and my bag. And this is one of the things that I would like to put my hands on quite soon, the edifier portable speaker. And from there, when I rotate here, you probably remember in the channel somewhere, this is a Fresnel screen. I've created a dedicated how to buy Fresnel projector screen tutorial. And in that video, I've used this same screen with Epson LS300. Right now, projector is working in 60-65% power, so it is still going up, and it's not in the brightest mode. It's a regular, better color mode. Okay, so I can push this quite a lot, but it's just like a TV. This is a Fresnel, and these two beasts of edifiers are connected to it, blow the place up with a sound. There will be a lot of 5.1, 7.1, and 3.1 Ultimate different soundbar setups. They are coming. I might be able to review them time to time by coming here. This is also a test place for people to come with their projectors if they live in Istanbul, and if they have, early call or an email, just to register a date and time before they come here and test their projectors. It's an experiment room for also users. So let me just walk again around the room. This is the second place that you will probably see Valerian Vision Master Pro 2 showing off with a 135-inch on a long throw ALR screen. By the way, you're seeing the colors as purple, and I'm going to explain because I need to color grade the video. This video is extremely bright in an extremely lit condition. So you can watch it just like a TV. And let me remind you, this is 100-inch, this is 135. It's a huge compare one to another. The reason that you're seeing a pinkish color, I need to color grade it because triple laser projectors are very difficult to capture with different camera sensors. What I do is basically I take a gray color, just project it onto a screen, and then I take that gray color as a neutral gray and then color grade it in the video processing, so you will see what I see. But basically, directly, I can't show it to you. So that's why when I move around, you see a pinkish image. So don't judge the Valerian Vision Master Pro. I put it on a tripod, and there will be another setup here, long throw, ALR and long throw white. Hopefully, we're going to create a different guides and tutorials in this space. So this is a big deal for me. Let me just come around and rotate the camera. I want to finish this video by thanking you guys. Without your support, without your likes and subscribes, subscriptions, this wouldn't be happening this much. The journey that I come through an hobby, it grew out like sharing information that I gathered around 20 years, 15 to 20 years, and I'm sharing it all with you. I know I am testing new devices slower than other reviewees. I know my videos are long because I dive deep in details, but my focus most of the time is knowledge. I create guides and tutorials. That's what I love. I want to teach you so you can make your choice right. It doesn't have to be hard. It has to be smart. So when you want to learn new stuff, you know where to come. This is the Home Cinema and Tech Review, and this is the new studio. And I hope you enjoyed ultra short throw lenticulars, Fresnels, long throw ALRs. Ask the questions that you want to learn about them, that you want to learn about all these things. And then I might create, when I come here, different tutorials and guides. I'm taking notes from your comments. So your questions, most of the times, becomes my video subject or tutorial and guide video. You know by now. And what I want to lastly show, there will be some mini PCs that I've tested and I haven't tested yet. And this cabinet has Atom Man and Minis Forum Elite mini PCs. These are two beasts of a devices. If I remember correctly, this one has internal gaming GPU, and this is using APU, but still beating a lot of PCs. And there will be like wireless HDMIs and converters to use with Google dongles, and I will probably create guides about it. Long cables, 50 meters, HDMI and optical conversion cables, and tablets. So a lot of edifiers are waiting here if you want to learn about them. And people come over here, can test different hardware. Like I said in the beginning, light is controllable in this room. We can close all the lights. We have huge windows, so we can emulate nearly anything on a white wall versus ultra short throw screen, white wall versus Fresnel screen. So this is a place. What do you want to learn? You can ask, and I can show it to you in the videos. And I hope to see you in the next video. As always, bye from Home Cinema and Tech Review, and hoşça kalın from Türkiye, İstanbul.